to the talk segment. But before we get to that, allow me to just get you quickly to the stock market update, the Lusaka Security Exchange stocks update with us this morning. Another interesting segment on the Millennium Culture Breakfast Show. And of course, to get us through with the update this morning is Madam Lina with us in studio. Good morning, Madam Lina, and welcome to the Millennium Culture Breakfast Show.
Good morning, Doreen. How are you?
I'm all right. How is the Lucy doing?
We're doing well, thank you.
Amazing. We can't wait to get right into it, to get to see how the market really performed last week, so that people can really be ready to actually get to do something this week.
Very much so. You'll see from the numbers. So going through the stock market news today. So good morning to everybody. We are very excited to present the stock market review over the past week. The past week we started on the 20th of January. The market, we saw some movement in the market, and here are a few stats for you, especially those who are willing and ready to invest on the market. I think it's an important thing to consider, to invest on the stock market and to gain your returns over time. So stats for the week, which ended on the 24th, started on the 20th of January. Market capitalization of the LUSE, the total overall value of the stocks, ended on 215.6 billion. The total turnover, in other words, the total value of the shares that were traded for the past week came to 31.6 million kwacha. Friday was the highest trading day with about 20.1 million in terms of the value of the shares that were traded on that particular day. That's quite a big day for the exchange, and you don't want to miss out on some of those opportunities. The total number of shares which were traded the whole week came to about 1.2 million shares. Friday again was the highest day there with 942,515 shares traded on a Friday. Again, quite a number of shares traded on that particular day. The share price movements the past week, we would say, wasn't particularly big or compared to the past months. We saw the only price mover in terms of the change of price was Zafico with a 9 ingwe increase. Rest of the stocks did move and change during the week, however came back to what they started with at the week. So no price changes were recorded for the others, but for Zafico there was a 9 ingwe increase. The Lusaka All Share Index, the index which we use to see how the stock market in general is performing, whether it has gone up or whether it's gone down, ended on 15,369.04 points. And that was about 0.05% higher than the previous week. So some of these statistics, as you go on and as we go on learning about this, you'll get to know. But in light of that, please feel free to go and visit our website, www.luse.co.zm, to get more information, more market data. You can find that on our website. You can also, if you're keen in trading and participating on the market, as you have seen, we've had quite a big week in terms of the millions of kwachas which were traded. Please feel free to download the Luse mobile application. It's on the App Store and the Play Store. And alternatively, you can go and visit a registered stockbroker, Luse registered stockbroker, and those details you can find on our website. For now, that's it from the market desk. We hope that you have a fruitful week and happy trading.
Thank you so much, Madam Lina. But I think it's actually going up. It's good that we are comparing from the previous week to this week, right, to the last week, the other week to the last week, right?
Right.
And it's showing that improvement. And just looking at how the record was from last year, it was really amazing. Yep. We hope that this year is going to be more than last year.
It will definitely be so, especially if people participate.
Definitely. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Well, dear viewers, that is all that we had for you right on the stock update segment this particular morning. But for now, we just want a very short break. We'll be right back on the other side. Stay tuned.